So I'm certainly having a great day because I received my first dividend of over $10,000, all right? Keep on watching through the video. Let's see who can spot the $10,000 dividend first, all right? I'm just kidding, guys. Today's video, we're gonna be going over our Robinhood portfolio. So, more specifically, the dividends we received. Remember, in this channel, what we talk about is money, money, money. More specifically, cash flow. How we can go out there and invest our money to receive little drips here and there, all right? That'll eventually turn into waterfalls, all right, guys? So, here are the most recent dividends that we received. So I received, I believe, over 50 dividends for the month of March, all right? Let's go ahead. I'm just gonna go through them really quickly. Hopefully it doesn't take up much of your time. All right, let's go ahead. As you can see here, these are small little dividends, but they start adding up. Some of these are monthly paying. All right, so let's keep on scrolling here. As you can see, some of these dividends are low, but eventually you'll see a couple dollars in there. All right, remember, these are constantly reinvested to create the compound effect, all right, which will eventually, like I said, give us enough cash flow to be able to sustain our daily and living activities. It'll eventually generate us enough cash flow so that we can create enough passive income that we'll never have to worry about money again, guys. And remember, these payments are recurring. So regardless of what happens in the market, these dividends just keep on coming in, guys. All right, my favorite ones are the monthly paying ones because you know you're going to get that little payment every month, so you can constantly reinvest it to create the compound effect. All right, as you can see here, there's several dividends, all right, that we received. I'm going to be providing a little update on the portfolio later and what we anticipate to earn for the year of 2022. All right, guys, I hope you guys appreciate this content that I've been providing you. Hopefully these little tips and strategies will motivate you more to go out there and work hard, get money, but then eventually invest it instead of saving it, all right? Saving it does not work in this time. All right, so go out there, work hard, and invest your money, all right? So it could grow for you. So eventually your money works harder for you than you do for it. All right, guys, thank you. Appreciate the support. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't. I'll catch you on the next video.